my name is Amber LaRock and I am a staff writer with Emergency Vets USA as well as a licensed veterinary technician. Our goal at Emergency Vets USA is to educate you on topics regarding your pet's health. Today I'll be offering you a quick review on arthritis in dogs, but I would like to mention that if you want a more in-depth review, you can of course refer to the article that is attached to this video, but you can also head on over to bigbarker.com. They are offering detailed presentations by skilled veterinarians for their Arthritis Awareness Week. So if you would like to dive into a bunch of different aspects relating to arthritis in dogs, we suggest heading over there to take a look. Arthritis in dogs is a degenerative joint condition that specifically refers to deterioration of the cartilage within the joint. Arthritis leads to a destructive cycle of inflammation within the joint, which in turn causes the cartilage to become brittle over time. The cartilage plays a very important role when it comes to preservation of the joint. When the cartilage cannot properly protect the joint and the two connecting bones, this leads to a waterfall of painful symptoms to come for the dog and a slew of joint complications down the line as well. Arthritis in itself is not a life-threatening condition, but what it can do is lead to significant pain that does shorten a dog's life due to quality of life concerns. If a dog's arthritis is not addressed early on and an effective management plan is not put into place, these dogs can begin to suffer over time, and it leads many owners to have to make a tough quality of life decision. So while arthritis again is not life-threatening in itself, it is in a way, because the pain can in turn lead to that tough decision for owners to make. It's often a combination of different lifestyle factors that contribute to the development of arthritis in dogs. These factors include canine obesity, because excessive weight puts a large amount of stress on the canine joints. This also includes the size of your dog, because large breed dogs are more at risk to developing arthritis due to their fast growth periods. This includes a history of strenuous exercise. Intense exercise for prolonged periods of time, for example with canine athletes, this can put a large amount of stress on the joints, and it could also make them more at risk to developing injury, whether it is to the bone or to the muscles or the connective tissue. So strenuous exercise and then exposure to past injuries can also be a factor that leads to arthritis. And the last factor that can lead to arthritis is just the presence of other joint conditions. So for example, hip dysplasia or luxating patellas. The presence of other joint conditions can make a dog more at risk of developing arthritis down the line. 7 most common symptoms of arthritis in dogs include joint stiffness, a change in gait, challenges with everyday activities or tasks, muscle wasting, especially in the back end, soreness after activity, whether this is a strenuous exercise or just a normal walk, and then even change in behavior due to the chronic discomfort that they are experiencing. For a more in-depth review on arthritis in dogs and the different treatment and management options available to your dog, be sure to review the article that is attached to this video, but stay tuned to Emergency Vets USA for more topics on pet health.